In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable lower third text banner to your videos using Riverside. So, you've logged into your Riverside account. Great. Let's keep the momentum going by heading over to your studio. Once you're there, focus your eyes on that right side menu. Notice the text option? Go ahead and click it. This action will open the text side panel, setting the stage for creating your customized lower third. Now that you've got the text field open, think about the message you want to convey. You have up to 200 characters to play around with. Consider using it for a call to action, maybe your social media handle, or even a brief announcement. Whatever suits your needs, go ahead and type it in. Feeling the need to include a link in your text? That's a smart move. To do this, look for the link icon located conveniently next to the text box. A simple click on that icon will allow you to enter a URL, making your text banner interactive and clickable when it's displayed on your video. This not only provides useful information, but also potentially directs your audience to more content or resources. Now let's style it up a bit. You've typed in your message, but don't forget about the visual impact. Head over to the options for size and color to customize it. Perhaps you want it to pop with a bold color, or maybe you prefer a sleek, minimalistic look. You have the creative freedom to adjust these settings to align perfectly with your branding or the theme of your video. If you're into typography, there's also the option to change the font style. Choose one that resonates with your content's vibe. Next is deciding how long you want this lower third to be visible on your screen. This part gives you the flexibility to cater the duration setting to your personal preference. There are a few options to consider here. You can set a timer for 5, 10, or 15 seconds, depending on how lengthy you want the highlight to be. Alternatively, if you prefer that it stays put until you opt to dodge it manually, simply select No Timer. This adaptability ensures your message is visible for just the right amount of time, enhancing your viewer's experience without overstaying its welcome. And there you have it. You've now mastered setting up a clickable lower third text banner on Riverside. It's a seamless way to add interactivity and valuable information to your videos. Thank you for watching and happy creating.